I just got a package from Devoted Bait Company. Let's check it out. First up, we have this 2-inch minnow kit. These things are perfect for a drop shot rig. Next up is this 3-inch minnow kit, which also comes with jig heads from Jig Daddy Fishing. This blue and pink color has worked wonders for me in the past, and I can't wait to throw them again. We also have an assortment of paddle tails in 3 different colors. You can really never have enough of these. You thought that was it? No, 5 packs of minnows. These things really work anywhere and everywhere. If you see me out there, say what's up and pick up a pack of these to try for yourself. And on top of all that, they even threw in extra plastics. Devoted Bait Company absolutely hooked it up, and if you're interested in checking out their stuff for yourself, head on over to their Instagram at Devoted Bait Co.